My name is Mayank. Good morning. Today's my topic is Hata and Okumura model. Hata and Okumura model is introduction. The mechanism is behind the electromagnetic wave. The propagation largest can generally be the attribute for scattering different and reflecting because the multiple reflection from the various object travel along different path and length of most of cellular record radio system. They operate in urban area and there is no direct line inside the path between the transmitter and receiver. ટ્રાન્સમીટર અને રિસીવર વચ્ચે કોઈ પણ સીધે ડાયરેક્ટ નથી હોતું લિંક વચ્ચે ઘણા બધા buildings, environments issues, etc. Two type of Hata and Okumura model. Basically propagation model are two types, free space propagation and a plane earth propagation. First of all, free space model. The where is the is not related the absorbed space observation model. The ideal propagation radiation, all radiation from the transmit for source and propagation to any infinite distance to uh, decrease. The attenuation for occur they occur in the space power over gender area, general generated area and power flux calculation. ફ્રી ફેસમાં આપણે ગમે આ સિગ્નલ ટ્રાન્સફર કરી શકીએ જેમ કે બીટીએસ દ્વારા આપણે મોબાઈલ ચલાવીએ છીએ. પ્લેન અર્થ ઓપરેશન પ્રોપગેશન મોડલ. The affected propagation model is ground node. The consist of the free space the propagation model. Some of the power will be reflected due to the present ground and received by the receive and radio wave propagation over ground. This propagation in we are apply in ground wave propagation to the phase of propagation is a model is modify in the reflected plane. The earth propagation 20. The model determine the effect the reflected power. First of all, show you Okumura model. The two basic propagation model are free space in the plane. The earth or the would be the require the dialing knowledge location consumption parameter buildings train features everyone train in future and the area convert. It is used in a micro cell path in Okumura models. Okumura model is highly based in the data, no analysis explanation. Among these simple based in term of path, loss, accuracy, calculation, mobile environment, frequency is 150 megahertz to 9020 megahertz in use range of frequency in Okumura model. Distance from 1 kilometer to 100 kilometers. Base station height is 30 meters to 1000 meters. These are a basic formula of Okumura model. L50 dB is equal to LF mu FD GTE GRE minus area. L50 is 50 value of propagation of loss medium. LF is free phase loss, free phase में loss થતો હોય. AMUFD is medium attenuation relation with free space. જેટલું ઘટી જાય attenuation જેટલું થાય તે AMU space. GAT the base station antenna height. Base station antenna height is denoted by GHTE. Mobile antenna height is denoted by GHER and area area is gain due to environment not gain output and input gain. The MUFD is area is have been the plotted in wide range in requested. Okumura model. There is three areas: suburban areas, open areas, and local areas. Their major advantage of with model, it is a low response, rapid change in trend. Therefore, the model of fair good urban areas but not the in rural areas. Commonly standard is a deviation between the periodic of the measurement of the path of the value of around 10 to 14 dB. Hatta propagation model. Most famous model is Okumura Hatta models. Okumura made in extravagant measurement. Hatta transform Okumura plot imperial model is valid 150 to 150 megahertz. Different environments to change. Hatta model different three types: urban area, suburban area, and open. LB is equal to AB log DE. L, LDB is equal to AB plus log DC. AB log DC is open. A is equal to 6955 plus 26.16 log FC minus 38.32 log HB A minus A HM. B is equal to 44.9 minus 6.55 log HB. C 5.4 plus 2 log FC 2 at no square. D 40.94 plus 9.78 log FC square 1933 log FC. log FC minus 0.7 is 1.5 જે આપણે આગળ જોયું. We have C is a formula. This apply is here. Log FC minus 0.7 HM minus FC log FC 0.8 is medium small city, and 8.28 log 1.454 HM square minus 1.13 3.2 log 11.75 m square 9 minus 4.94 is FC. So large city, and FC is greater than is largest city 400 megahertz, and FC less than 400 megahertz to large city. Question answer. Thank you.